Tell me about yourself first.
So I'm Prarthana, I'm 15 years old. I live in Bangalore with my parents and a sister.
How many siblings you have?
One sibling, younger sister, she's 10 years old.
Okay, what about your father, about your mother? What they're doing?
Both my mom and dad are engineers.
What are the challenges in your life you faced, and if could it be possible to change from your side, you need to?
I think mostly people recognize me because of my height.
Okay.
So I wouldn't like to change my height because I'm okay with it. But I would like to change people's perspective because it's in their eyes that, I mean, there are many people who are short. So I think not everybody are acceptable like me.
Correct.
So some people might take it seriously. So I would like to change people's perspective if possible.
Okay. So in this regard, that what actually you faced any incident in your life about your height? Someone make fun on that and all?
I think it's everyday thing. I think at least once in a day someone will call me short, but by now I think I'm used to it because I know I'm short. Like it's like I don't find it funny anymore.
Okay. I found that when you're talking and by speeding when you're talking that some stammering. Actually, I found that. I don't know about that actually is there or not. Could you tell me about that?
So I have stammering since like I'm 4 years old.
Okay.
It's because of like I was born in Bangalore, and then when I was like 1.5 years old or something, I had to go to Europe, and then after 2 years again to India. So there was a lot of language changes, and because of that my stammering started. And mostly I stammer because I try to talk in one breath. It's because of the excitement or sometimes the hyperness or something. I try to talk in one breath, and which blocks the air and I can't speak.
Okay, now that normally there is not that much of stammering.
Yeah, it has reduced a lot.
Yeah, so how you overcome of that problem? How you deal?
So basically, like when I consulted the doctor, the only cure is talking slow. Nothing else can, like the doctor told you have to reduce your excitement and speak, only then it will reduce, or no other option.
That means that situation that when you are more excited, you should not talk that much of faster. You
have to breathe and speak.
Yeah, so you should be that speed of your talking that you should reduce. Okay, that is that thing that I found somewhere that when you're talking, the doctor also suggesting that you should keep something that behind of your tongue or the under of your tongue.
Yes, yeah, all that works, but I have not tried any of them. But then doctors told me all that to do.
Tell more about your family, and you should relate with that how they have dealt with that problems actually you faced on early ages.
My parents are very supportive since the startings, and I don't think so they treat it as a problem. So they've been very supportive since the start. So it has not really bothered with them.
Tell me about your friend circle and that how they are reacting, or how actually your relation with them.
So I think I can talk like the whole day about my friends. I have a lot of friends. It's because like I've been in different places. Like I've shifted my houses a lot and shifted schools a lot, and because of my parents, and also I have a lot of friends. And then my friends are like they're the most important thing in my life.
Okay.
Like they're very supportive and all that. Like every time something happens, they're the first ones who I run. Like I can trust them.
So somehow that if somebody bullying on you, they are also the friend only.
Yeah.
So that bullying in this sometimes is joke manner, sometimes the people is telling the serious regard, or sometimes is emotionally actually hurting you.
Yeah, initially they tell all that, but then I don't react, so even they get bored, so they don't tell anything later.
Okay, so what about your family? Your family is nuclear family or joint family?
I live with my parents and sister, but I have a very big family. I have got a lot of cousins and all. It's because of them I've learned all my socializing skills and all that. So I'm pretty big.
So you are socially active actually. Facebook, Instagram that you are.
Yeah.
Your life, what you're thinking about the other people thinking about you, what the things good about you, or what are the bad thing or that you need to change?
I think good thing and that thing is the same in me. Like if I start talking, I'm never stopping. And sometimes people like it, and sometimes people don't like it. Like I have two extremes. Like if I talk, like I just talk.
Okay.
Or I'm just quiet. So I have two extremes. And I think sometimes people might get irritated because expressing too much is also not good, and sometimes always being quiet is also not.
Okay. So when you're expressing that the things actually is a point wise you're expressing, or that simply unwanted things also you're talking?
I talk unwanted things also. So, but people might be judgmental. I mean, like people are gonna talk anyway. So I feel like do your thing.
Okay.